Hello friends, today I'm going to show you some simple and inexpensive mods I have done on my Tata Nexon XM variant. I'll also give you the links where you can buy these and the prices in the description below. Let me start with some carbon fiber treatment on the car. This variant doesn't come with a body color or glass black ORVM cover, so I have installed a carbon fiber ORVM cover which I bought it from Tata dealership. As you may know, the Tata Nexon foliage green comes with white strips on both the sides and the rear, and I personally didn't like it, so I have covered it with a 5D carbon fiber vinyl wrap. To cover all the strips, you would require two 12 by 50 inch carbon fiber vinyl wraps. A plastic squeegee and a sticker cutter will also come in handy. Just make sure you thoroughly clean the surface and it's free from dust before you start applying it. You can also use a scale to cut the wrap into required size for all the white strips, and try to use one large piece for each strip and avoid having too many cut pieces, especially for the red strip. The next mod is I have replaced the long aerial antenna with a carbon fiber finish Sharkfin antenna. It's actually very easy to install it. Just unscrew the existing antenna and screw in your new Sharkfin antenna. These usually come with 3M tapes. Remove the tape cover and just stick it. The next accessory is the stainless steel scuff plates. You get 4 plates, 2 in the front and 2 in the rear. Although the rear ones are pretty small because the rear footstep is a bit curvy, so we don't get the full size plates for Nexon. A rain visor. The ones from Tata dealership will cost you around Rs 3000, but I bought it aftermarket for Rs 800. My suggestion is, if you don't have the need for installing the rain visor, you can avoid it, as the Tata Nexon A-pillar is already thick and it might create some blind spot for you. The next accessory is anti-skid noodle mats. The front driver side mat gets an extra padding under the pedals. Set of 5 mats. These are like universal in size and they actually look to be of some good quality. As you know, this variant comes with black steel wheels and silver wheel caps. Similar to my previous car, I wanted to paint the wheel caps of this car into black. I have used Armrest spray paint cans, 3 gloss black and 1 clear coat. If the wheel caps are new and don't have any deep scratches, you don't have to either sand it or apply any primer. This is an OEM style armrest. Along with this, you will get 3M tape and hinges with screws and magnet. You can either use the 3M tape or hinges to install it. And the magnetic lock in the front will ensure the armrest doesn't move around when your car goes on humps and bumps. This actually has good cushion and very comfy to rest the hands for both driver and the co-passenger. Lastly, the seat covers, which I got it installed from Tata dealership along with front, rear and boot mats. The dealership seat covers may not have the best fittings, but it's not bad either and does the job. Thanks for watching. Please let me know if you like the simple mods on my car and what other cheap mods can be done for my Tata Nexon XM.